Good morning, dear students. Last class we are discussed about how to find the surface area of combination of solids. In this class we are going to learn same type of problems, exercise 13.1 problems, children. Exercise 13.1. See, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube. Once again, children, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. First, you should understand the questions, children. The volume of the cubes is given. First, you should find the side of the cube. Volume of the cube is given now. See, children, solutions. How to find solutions? See, volume of the cube is given. What is the volume of cube? Volume of cube formula. Volume of cube is equal to A into A into A, or A cube cubic units. A cube cubic units. Cubic units. Already volume given 64. 64 is equal to A cube. Should find value of A. How to find A is equal to cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 means same number multiply 3 times. Which number, children? 4 into 4 into 4. 64 is in as 4 cube, no? Otherwise, children, cube root of 64 value is 4. Otherwise, another one method is there. A cube is equal to 64 is written as 4 cube. Both side cube will cancel. So, value of A is equal to 4. So, side length of given cube is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Next. See, children. See, already side length, you know, A is equal to 4. A is equal to how much, children? A is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, see, 2 cuboid, no? See, children, this is a cube, one cube. Join that end to end given, no? So, see, children, another one cube. Two cube joined end to end. So this 4 centimeter. The length of the one cube is 4 centimeter. The length of the two cube is equal to 8 centimeter. See, children, the length of two cube is equal to 8 centimeter. So breadth 4 centimeter. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Children, this is the breadth 4 centimeter. Height also 4 centimeter. Now find the surface area of the given figure. How to find? This is shape of cuboid. Two cube in the form of cuboid, no? So you should write surface area, total surface area of cuboid formula. What is the formula? Total surface area of cuboid. What is the formula, children? Total surface area of cuboid. Cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Using this formula to solve the problem, children. What is the formula? TSA of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units, where L indicates length of the cuboid, B indicates breadth of the cuboid, H indicates height of the cuboid. Now substitute the values, children. Substitute the values. See, what is the value of L? See, children, to write as it is. What is the value of L? 8, no? 8 into, what is the value of breadth? Breadth 4 plus breadth 4, height 4 plus, what is the value of H? Height 4 length 8. So square units na centimeter square. Now simplify students. First inside the bracket 2 write as it is. 8 4 the 32 plus 4 4 the 16 plus 8 4 the 32. Now first solve inside the bracket 2 into 32 plus 32 64. 64 plus 16 80. Now 82 the 160. Therefore the volume of the surface area of the given cuboid is equal to 160 centimeter square. Any doubt regarding this one, children? The surface area of given figure is 160 centimeter square, children. Any doubt? See, once again, children, volume of the cube is given. A cube, cubic units is the formula. Already volume given 64. 64 is equal to A cube. You should find A value. Cube root of 64. Cube root of 64 value is 4. Otherwise, another one method, A cube is equal to 64 is written as 4 cube. Why? Because 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. So A cube is equal to 4 cube. Both sides cube will cancel. A is equal to 4. So side of the cube is 4 centimeter. Now see, children, you should join two cubes at one end to another end to form a new cuboid. That cuboid is a new cuboid. The length is 8 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter, and height is 4 centimeter. Children, breadth is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, and length is 8 centimeter. Now write the formula. Total surface area of the cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL square units. Substitute the value 2 into 8. 2 value of L is 8 into breadth 4 plus B into H means 4 into 4 plus H into L means 4 into 8. First solve inside the bracket. 8 for the 32, 4 for the 16, 4 8 the 32. So first solve inside the bracket. 2 write as it is. You should add all the numbers. You will get 80. 82 the 160. The final answer is 160 centimeter square. Any doubt regarding this one? Next going to second one. See, children, a vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Once again, children, a vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. Vessel in the form of cylinder. See, children, observe all of you. Cylinder mounted hemisphere. Cylinder mounted hemisphere. See, like that. This is the figure, children. Any doubt regarding this one? See, now vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 centimeter. Diameter is given 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So find radius of the sphere. What is the radius? See, diameter is given. D is equal to 14 centimeter. How to find radius, children? How to find radius? Radius is equal to d by 2, no? D by 2 means 14 by 2. 14 by 2 in 2 tables. 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. 7 centimeter is the radius. Next, diameter of the hemisphere, and 14 centimeter is the diameter of the hemisphere, and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Total height is given 13 centimeter. Total height of the vessel 13 centimeter. Total height is given already. The radius is equal to 7 centimeter. No, this side also 7 centimeter. Why? Because this radius is also that. So 13 minus 7 how much? 6 centimeter. The height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. See, 13 minus 7 how much, children? 6, no? 6 centimeter. Any doubt regarding this one? Now find inner surface area of the vessel. How to find out, children, inner surface area of the vessel? See, what is the formula to find the inner surface area of the vessel? See, means inner surface area. inner surface area of vessel is equal to inner surface area of the vessel is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Now write the formula. What is the formula to curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. Very good. 2 pi RH. What is the formula for curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Take common factor outside, children. What is the common factor? 2 pi r is the common factor. H plus 2 pi r is the common factor, children. Now write remaining ones. H plus r. See, 2 pi r take outside, remaining h. 2 pi r take outside. R square is written as r into r. Already 1 r take outside, remaining 1 r. So final formula 2 pi r into h plus r square remains. Now substitute the values. So 2 into 5 value is, should write 5 value 22 by 7. In this problem we should write 22 by 7. 5 value is constant, no? Value of r means radius, no? Value of r. What is the value of r, children? 7 cm. Radius is equal to 7 cm, no? 7. Height of the cylinder, how much, children? 6 plus radius how much, children? 7. Now simplify centimeter square. Unit is centimeter square. Now 7 1 ja. Final answer 2 into 22 44. Solve inside the bracket. 6 plus 7 how much, children? 30. 14 into 44 into 30. Now simplify, children. 44 into 30. 44 into 30. All of them 13 table. 13 4 how much, children? 13 4, 13 1 is 13, 13 2 is 26, 13 3 is 39, 13 4 is 52. 2 5 cap. 13 4 is 52, 57. 572 centimeter square. The inner surface area of the given figure is 572 centimeter square. This is the final answer. 572 centimeter square. Any doubt regarding this one? Okay, next going to third one, problem children. Third one. See, a tie in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The height of the tie is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the tie. Tie in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere. Cone and hemisphere. See, children, this is cone mounted hemisphere shape. This is the figure. Tie in the shape of cone and hemisphere. See, tie in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter. Radius is given. How much radius? 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter is the radius. 3.5 centimeter. Mounted on hemisphere of same radius, the total height of the tie is 15.5 centimeter. Total height is 15.5 centimeter. Find the height of the cone. How to find? See, already radius is given 3.5 now. So subtract 3.5 from 15.5, we will get height of the cone. 15.5 minus 3.5, what is the answer? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter is the height of the cone. Now write the formula. Write the formula, children. How to write? See, total surface area of time given time is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. See, children, curved surface area of cone. What is the formula to find the curved surface area of cone? Pi into r into L, pi r L. Plus, what is the formula to find the curved surface area of hemisphere? 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Now, you should find the value of L. How to find the value of L, children? See, consider this is a ABC. ABC is a right angle triangle. No, observe all of you. ABC is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So you should apply the Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substitute the values. AC square value we don't know, right, as it is. What is the value of AB square? 12 square plus BC square value is 3.5 whole square. 3.5 whole square. Now simplify, children. AC square is equal to 12 12 is 144 plus 3.5 whole square means 3.5 into 3.5. See, what is the answer, children? 5 5 25 3 4 12. 12.25. 12.25. 3.5 into 3.5. Should find how to find 3.5 whole square. 3.5 into 3.5. The product of 3.5 into 3.5 is equal to 12.25. 12.25. Now add both. AC square is equal to 144 plus 12.25 is equal to 156.25. Finding AC square is equal to 156.25. AC is equal to square root of 156.25. You find the square root of 156.25 using division method. Division method. How to find? See, children, 156.25. First we should group 2 numbers, last one number. 1 1 is 1. Now subtract it 0. 1 plus 1 2. Take 56 down. See, children, already studying 8th standard, no? See, you should take 21 into 1, 21. Next 22 into 2, 44. 23 into 3, 66. 69. See, 69 is there. No, 56 no. So you should take 22 2s. How much? 44. 22 2s. How much? 44. Now subtract it, children. 6 minus 4 2. 5 minus 4 1. Now take 25 down. Take a 10 4 is, children. 22 2s. You should add 22 plus 2 24. Now see, children, same thing. 241 1 ja. How much? 241. 242 2 ja. 2 2 ja 4. 2 4 the 8. 2 2 ja 4 4 84. Like that you should solve. 245 5 ja. 5 5 is 25. 5 2 carry. 5 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 2. 2 carry. 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12. What is the answer? 1225. So we will get answer 245 5 is 1225. One thing, children, point after you should take digits, that time you should put point. The answer is 12.5. The square root of 156.25 is equal to 12.5. Any doubt regarding this one? 12.5. 12.5 centimeter. Any doubt regarding this one, children? The value of AC is equal to 12.5 centimeter. Any doubt regarding this one? Now solve the problems. Apply the values. See, observe all of you. You should take common factor outside. What is the common factor? Pi r. Remaining value L plus 2r. L plus 2r. Already pi take outside, 1r take outside. Remaining 2r is the factor. Now apply the formula. See, what is the value of pi? 22/7. What is the value of r? R value is 3.5. 3.5 into what is the value of L? Now simplify. Now 12.5. 12.5 is the value of pi. See, now we should find the value of AC. How much? 12.5. 12.5 is the value of L. This is the L value. So value of L is 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. 12.5 centimeter. This 12 is 8. 8 means BA value. Should find the AC value using Pythagoras theorem. We will get 12.5 is the value of L, children. Now simplify. Substitute the values. L value is 12.5 plus 2 into R value is 3.5. Solve, children. 12.5. So 7 tables should divide. 7 1 is 7. 7. 0.5. 7 0.5 is 3.5 children. Now multiply. 22 into 0.5, 11. The product of 22 into 0.5 is equal to 11 into, solve inside the bracket, children. 12.5 right as it is. Now should multiply. 2 into 3.5 value is 7. Now simplify. Simplify, children. See, 11 right as it is into. First solve inside the bracket. 12.5 plus 7 value is 19.5. 19.5. Now simplify. 11 5 is 55. 5 carry. 11 9 is 99. 99 plus 5. How much? 104. 104. 4 10 carry. 11 1 is 11. 11 plus 10. 21. Put 1 point. See, what is the final answer, children? 214.5 centimeter square. The surface area of the given toy is 214.5 centimeter square, children. Any doubt regarding this one? No doubts. Okay. Next 3 problems are homework. 4th, 5th, 6th, children. Solve and send it.